Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Simone, aka Bobo's daughter, and today I have an interesting tutorial for you guys. I have this beautiful gold foil Africa continent necklace. So if you want to see how to make this, stay tuned. For this video, you are going to need gold leaf, and I have the package of premium gold flakes by Craft Smart, gilding adhesive, and I have the Martha Stewart's Craft gilding adhesive, E6000 glue, clear packing tape, a actual print out of the continent of Africa, tracing paper, permanent marker with a fine point, pen, an ink pen, tweezers, scissors. Here I have a piece of tan foam board from the craft store, a sponge brush, and a little clear piece of vinyl. And this vinyl is going to be used to make the bell. So let's get into it. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to take our cutout of Africa and we are actually going to take some tracing paper and trace it. I have one done already here, but I want to redo it. You're going to take your cutout of Africa, and you're going to cut off a piece of tracing paper. You are going to take off a piece of tape. You are going to take the picture of Africa to the tracing paper. Okay. And once you do that, you are going to slowly but surely trace Africa. Now this is optional. You can use your fine point pen or your ink pen, fine point Sharpie or your ink pen. I find that it's easier with the Sharpie. So once you do that, we're going to remove the printout of Africa to cut the tracing paper out.
So take your time.
So now that I'm done, this is what my Africa looks like. What I'm going to do now is going to take a piece of the foam, and I'm going to actually tape the Africa to the foam. So now the Africa taped to the foam, we are going to trace over. We're going to trace it with a fine, with a pen. We're going to try to etch into the foam as we trace. So once you've done that, you just peel your paper off. And now you can cut out your Africa continent. I'm gonna take a piece of tape and I am gonna actually cover Africa with the tape. Right? So once I cover the Africa with the tape, I'm gonna go in again and cut all around. What you're going to do is you're going to open your gilding glue, take a dollop of the adhesive, and you want to, with your sponge brush, gently brush it out. And you want to let this dry. Okay, we are going to take the Africa, and it has the adhesive on it, and it's like sticky, tacky. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our tweezers and just a little bit of gold leaf out of the envelope, like not even a lot. I'm gonna transfer this to this little mailer I got. But yeah, so you just wanna take it, and what you're going to do is take your tweezers and you're just gonna pick up the little pieces of gold leaf and dab them on. And you just wanna continue the process until you have the Africa covered. When we come back, we'll brush the gold off. So let this sit for at least 30 minutes to an hour. You're going to take your sponge brush and you're just going to dust all the gold leaf off. You want to make sure that all your edges are covered. I'm going to take a piece of latex and my scissors, and I am going to make a bell. If you did not see how I make my homemade bells by hand, go to my DIY Ankh video, and there I will show you how I make my bells. But basically all I'm going to do is I am going to fold this over, glue it, and glue it to the pendant. So I will come back and show you how it all looks once it's done. So to finish the necklace, all we're going to do is take this little bell that we've created, and if you can see, it has like a hole where the necklace could slide through, and we're just going to glue this behind the Africa, and then it'll be ready to wear. So you just want to take the bell and squeeze out some glue. We're going to place it right there. Try to center it as much as you can. And once we've got it where we want it, we're just going to set it down. And I'm going to put a candle on top so to apply pressure. And there you have it. So I'll show you what it looks like on. Welcome back, guys. So that was the tutorial. If you'd like to see more from me, please follow me at Bobo's Daughter on all social media and subscribe to this channel. Here I have lots of DIYs, particularly jewelry based, but I will have more like self-care and beauty videos added to my channel as well. So please like, comment, and subscribe this video. Shout out to all my new subscribers and my new subbies and followers. And I just want to say thank you for taking the time to view this. And if anyone is interested in the earrings I have on, I will leave the link to them below. It was fun to make and I think it came out really nice. Bye.